in, honey, let's roll in. We can pick it up right now. I'ma take it too far, I'ma tear you apart. Everywhere I go, yeah, everybody knows I'm stunning like a work of art. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now say my name. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ready? Go. Ain't nobody do it like this. Go so hard, no, I just don't quit. I'm coming out with a bang, blowing up on the next big bang. I'm coming out with a bang, blowing up on the next big thing.
Because tonight is the grand final of the 46th edition of Mrs. Universe. We will announce our top 25, our top 5, and also crown the new winner of Mrs. Universe 2024.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf.